Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will be learning about encapsulation. Encapsulation is a concept of object-oriented programming which allows the data and members which manipulates the data to be bind together. Here, I'll give you one example using which you will get the concept of encapsulation in C++, and I'll also teach you how you can implement this concept in your C++ program. Here I have written one source code, and as we always do, I will explain the code to you. We have a class box, and here we have this tag public. Now what public means is whatever we define under public is accessible to all the objects, all the inherited classes, and everyone in the program. So whatever we define in this public tag is publicly available. We have one method which is getVolume, which is returning the volume by multiplying length, breadth, and height. This is our simple geometry. Now we have more three methods which we will talk in a minute. But here we have this private tag. Now what private tag does is it makes everything defined under a tag private. That means the only box class and its member can access these memory size. That means length, breadth, and height is inaccessible out of the box. So let me give you a quick example. Here in our main method, we have defined one object which is box B, and we try to set its length, breadth, and width. And let's go ahead and run this program. When we run this, it says there is an error exists in the required project. Now we click on no, and we look at here. It says double box length is private, and here it says within this content. So that means length is private, and so length is not accessible in any of the object by this way. So this is how we can separate things and make them public or private. But there is another way of achieving this. As you can see, our three methods, which was set height, set length, and set breadth. Now what set height does is it takes a parameter height and it set this height is equal to the past parameter. And as we know that the set height is a member of our box class, so in that way it has the access to all these private and all these private properties and other things. So in this way we can set height, we can set length, and we can set breadth. So we are using that b.setHeight and 10. So it will take the parameter 10 and set it to the height. And let's see if this works. The volume is 1000. So in this way we can use this encapsulation to make our data safe from the unreliable changes that may have occurred with our data inside our program. Thank you.